Well, an exciting day. Decided I'm gonna go kayaking on a lake that I can't even reach. Well, other than a dock. Yeah, so I've chosen two paths to take. One I've already gone down. Not overly excited about that one. It means that it means that I gotta walk quite a ways, and just not interested in that. I got three options really. One would be right at the dock that we can't use and nowhere to park. But yeah, that's option B. Wasn't really interested in that one. Went down it a bit. That was a far way to go. Yeah, that's not fucking happening. And option C, because option A is that dock, option C is up here at a bridge. So here's option C. Not looking too much like an option. Well, not yet anyways. But sometimes you just gotta make it work. Pretty sure as I drove by too, there was a spot up ahead a little bit. Oh fuck me, I left the door open. Alright, so the walk begins. Parked at the Hunter Church. And basically, for fun, I'm gonna be walking all the fucking way down to the bridge. This is also I could get onto a lake. This is exciting. God, I gotta do these things more often. So the dock is down that way. See where that car's going down? Maybe not. Anyways, that's the way. The bridge, it's that way. See where that black dot is coming up? I don't know if you can see it, but anyways, that's the bridge. It's way the hell down there. I don't know, about a kilometer and a half. So I got a little bit of walking to do. Oh, we got somebody pulling into my truck. Yeah. Well, just talked to Guy Dubé from the Hunter Bison Ranch. Super nice guy. He says I'm in for a challenge. Apparently there's a lot of overgrown, and him and his wife did it I guess last year when the water was high. They did it was left early in the morning, got there by 11 in the afternoon, and I'm leaving at 11, so I should be there by 2. He said he was in a Sports Pal canoe, and I'm in a kayak. Yeah. Where's the adventure, eh? Gotta have some adventure. I got quite the walk to go. Spent about 10 minutes with him talking, and super nice guy. It was great. Yeah. Church is just right there. I haven't gone very far. See where that tower is? That's where the church is. Oh God, I got like 9 towers to go. See that? In the words of God, or sorry, in the words of the Hunter Church and Limp Bizkit, you gotta have faith. Well, we're on the creek. It's gonna be a beautiful ride, especially if you look up ahead. Had a little bit of a spill. My rod got hung up in that tree, so I ended up going under. It was all right. Make sure I got no leech. I don't know if you could see back there, but I made it through Spider Bridge. I'm just past the Hunter Bridge, so this is going to be exciting. Now I got the last leg of the journey, and then I can fish for about an hour and a half, and then go home empty-handed. Classic. Holy shit. Look at that stump. feel like I'm going through the anaconda jungles or some shit. It's kind of fun. I'm not though. Not unless the anaconda jungles have power lines. Fucking grasslands, baby. Wonder if we'll see the almighty scary moose. Oh, was that a moose call? Moose call. I'm leaving. Holy jeepers. Yeah, I don't know where I am. Feel a little bit lost. But it's okay. I brought a protein bar, Gatorade Zero, lighter that's probably soap. Look at the back there. Just fucking swimming. Going swimmingly. Max, fetch me my rod. Max, fetch me my rod. Sometimes I think I'd be a great YouTuber, but then I realize I'm not. Holy bejeeves. I don't want to be that guy, but I think we did it. Fuck yeah. We funkin' did it. Hear that, spiders? We did it. I don't know where you are. There you are, buddy. There you are. We fucking did it, bud. We fucking did it. Here, come here. Come here. Crawl onto that. There you go. Go live free. How many more are in here? Pretty sure there's one. Nope. I'm almost positive there's a spider crawling in my ball sack. Feels kind of good though. Uh-oh. That's where I came in. Well, what a beautiful day. Got out on this beautiful lake. Didn't catch anything. Knew I wasn't going to. But had a great time. It was a beautiful journey to get out here. All right. Got off the lake. Met some super cool people. Kennedy Lake. Super amazing, fun ride. Now, I gotta go up about 3 or 4 of those power lines. Now I'm back at the truck, drive the truck over. And then load up, load and go. Fun times. Should be home in about, I'd say, an hour and a half. What a great time. At least I got to record it and have some fun with you guys. Or without anybody. Without. I'm alone. All right, boys and girls, we're back at the truck. The Hunter Church. Time to fucking pack up what I brought. Head over to the lake again. Go get my fishing shit. And go home. What a great day. What a beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day.